Bitcoin's ascent is more than just a financial phenomenon. It's a cultural shift that embodies the daring and resilience of the human spirit. As we witness Bitcoin's value climb, we're reminded that our collective belief in an idea can have tangible effects on the world. This digital currency, once a niche interest, has sparked a global conversation about the very nature of money and value. It challenges us to rethink our relationship with traditional banking systems and to consider a future where financial sovereignty is accessible to all. The rise of Bitcoin is not just about the numbers, it's about the stories of individuals who dared to dream differently, to invest in a future unbound by the past. So let's not just watch this ascent, let's be part of the journey, contributing to a narrative of innovation, empowerment, and endless possibilities.